Hi, this is Sara Abrons, editor of Rave Publications, and I'm here on day one of InfoComm 2017 in Orlando with Scott Hicks, CEO of Avocor. How are you today, Scott?
Hello, I'm doing great. And yourself?
Yeah, how's the show going for you so far?
So far, great. It's the first time for us at InfoComm. It's kind of our coming out party here in the Americas, and we couldn't be more pleased.
Yeah, your company's only about a year old, right? You're in the US and UK right now?
We are. We started in the UK and launched our European business a little over a year ago, and then 6 months ago we expanded and brought ourselves here into the US. So
you've been in the industry a long time. Gary's known you a long time, so why don't you tell me, why don't you tell us a little bit about Avocor and your technology and why you thought there was a place on the market for this kind of technology?
Great. Yeah, well, as you mentioned, been in the industry for a little over 25 years. Knew Gary when I had hair and he was much younger. But for us, it's always been about inflection points for me. I was part of the industry when projection emerged. I was there when we saw the flat panel go into an all-in-one device. We saw plasma emerge in the flat space too, and we've been waiting and watching this category in the LCD side to grow into where this perfect integration of touch technology, integrated PCs that offer a full solution and collaborative kind of environment in a classroom or conference room will begin to grow. And about a year and a half to 2 years ago, as we watched closely, we saw that kind of shift emerge. And so that really stimulated our engineering and our business team to say, let's get in this market now. It's a category that traditionally has been about 100,000 units in total market size in the last 5 years, and it's projected to be over 1 million units over the next 3. So that's the inflection points that we look for, and it kind of driven.
And where do you see most of that growth coming?
Really, it's I think the huddle room, the collaboration space. I mean, more and more now, you no longer want to come in, plug in a computer, and just take what's on screen and put it up on the wall. You want to walk in and interact with the solution. You have video conferencing coming in. And you have really the software companies making it so easy to make these devices collaborative and efficient that if you can enable with the hardware end of it, you get kind of the perfect marriage in those classroom and conference rooms to really create a collaborative environment.
Yeah, and we've seen a lot of new collaboration boards on the market in the past year from a variety of companies, including some really big companies. So how is your solution different from what they offer?
Great. Well, when we developed this platform, we really want to create an agnostic solution, meaning that regardless of software and hardware connectivity, we could work in that environment pretty seamlessly. So where I think you've seen kind of one of two directions. You've got interactive boards that are very specific. They're either going to be a Windows operating systems or an Android-based system, or more times than not, actually a proprietary system. So in developing this solution, we wanted to make sure that regardless of that environment, we'd be able to support. And that was really our differentiator, to make it so ubiquitous that it didn't have to necessarily be different. Yeah. That made sense.
So what are your goals here at the show? Are you trying to sign up new dealers? You just want to show the technology off? What are you looking for?
All of the above. I mean, with any new brand, it's a combination of awareness, not only with the end user and the media, but also with the dealer base. So here it's just about having our coming out party, letting people get to know who we are as a brand, what we stand for, what our product differentiation looks like, and as a team, how we can bring a kind of a business proposition and a product proposition to them as partners.
Well, great. Thanks so much, Scott, for the interview today. We will be shooting product interviews later today here at the Avocor booth. So when you watch this video, make sure you go to the search box, type in Avocor, and you can see all the different products that Scott and I talked about generally here today, and check them out. Thanks so much.
Thank you very much. Have a great show.
You too.
Cheers.